हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू फिस्क कैपिटल। लास्ट वीडियो के बाद काफ़ी लोगों को राइट्स एप्लीकेशन के लिए आईसीआईसीआई बैंक की प्रोसेस को भी समझना था। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इन द लास्ट वीडियो हमने एसबीआई की जो एप्लीकेशन है उसको यूज़ किया था। वी यूज्ड एसबीआई नेट बैंकिंग टू अप्लाई फॉर राइट्स। टुडे वी आर गोना डू द सेम प्रोसेस विथ आईसीआईसीआई बैंक. Now in ICICI, since I don't have any rights opened for me, so I'm not gonna apply for any such thing, but I am gonna show you the process. So if you see, this is your ICICI login page of SBI Net, of ICICI Net Banking. In the login page, you see investment in insurance. There you see the option of invest online. You go to invest online. You start with these options: invest, demat and trading account, mutual funds. All these things are there. You just have to select this particular area called online IPO rights issue and call money option. Here you select invest online and go to rights issue, request for rights issue and then proceed. Here you can mention the number of rights you have. I am just putting it one because I don't have any right at the moment. And then I place my demat account number. So I get my demat, I paste it. By ticking the checkbox, I confirm and acknowledge this part, and then I select proceed. Once you select proceed, you get all these options of application. So let's go with Franklin Industry only. Here you select CDSL if you have CDSL. If you have NSDL, you select NSDL. I have CDSL, so I am using CDSL. So we are selecting retail option. Here we are placing our demat. So I don't have my demat handy. I will be adding it. If I have my demat, I place the bid quantity and then I place submit. Once we place submit, we get the order details. We just have to confirm for the next steps, and once we do that, we are done on this part. We can easily apply for the IP rights and then go back to our order book to check that. Right now, since there is no order, you won't see it here, but if you have already completed the process, you can see the full order detail in here. I hope you liked this video. If there is any other question, you can directly reach out to us, or you can mention the same in the comment section. Thank you very much.